Toyota Santa Rosa Laguna. Look at this lounge. Coffee and some Japanese food. Alright. Alright guys. Tamaraw 2.4 GL drop side. Diesel automatic. Black edition. Suabe. Forma guys. Abante tayo. Look at the rims mags guys. Na-feature na natin to sa previous vlog, but once again, pakita ko lang yung black automatic, yung may orange trim. So kitang-kita nyo naman guys. Saka ito, may pwede ka rin dito lagayan ng mga gamit, compartment. Alright, may mga pwede kang i-store dyan. So syempre hindi na yun i-adjust. Yan na yan. Once again, automatic transmission. So close ulit natin. Ayan, mataas yung roof na ceiling. So, once again, dito tayo sa Toyota Santa Rosa. So, it's not once again, but before, I don't know if nakapag-vlog na tayo dito sa Toyota Santa Rosa, but parang hindi ko na matandaan. Pero kaya tayo bumalik dito, kasi meron tayong tropa dito, si Rosmar, he's here. So, yun guys, I'll put the details. Pero once again, this is the Toyota Tamaraw FX. 2.4 diesel, drop side, black edition. So, kita nyo naman guys, swabing swabe. So, ayan guys, yung sa gasoline, ito, drop side nga eh, all side yan. Tapos may mga ganyang rubber, para in case mag-close down to, mag-drop down. So, hindi tama sa body. So, yun guys, it's nice. Drum brake, disc brake. So, passenger side. Bisusi siya guys. Okay? So, yan. Laki ng compartment once again. Seatbelt. Yung jack nandito sa likod. So, power window yung salamin. Tapos, basically, that's about it guys. So, it's a quick view. Makikita nyo, 4-cylinder. So, direct injection, common rail. D4D engine. So, same ng Hilux. Asan yung busina? Baka mamaya isa lang to So yan. So with display audio, CarPlay Android. So yun yung pinaka naano ko dito na naging catch sa akin. So alam naman natin that this is the black edition. So napakaganda, orange trim, hazard. Ito, Apple and Android CarPlay. Pero syempre, you have to put a USB wire. Pero interesting na yun pala yun. With Apple CarPlay and Android. So yun guys, once again, it's the black color, black edition ng Toyota Tamaraw. Alright? Disc brake, drum, so pretty much swabe. Ang ganda niya, oh. Forma.